Hello everyone. So we have Mr. Durvij here. He joined Skyy Rider for the course of HEV, Hybrid Electric Vehicle. So Durvij, can you introduce yourself? Can you give a brief introduction about yourself?
Yeah, ma'am. Hello guys, I am Durvij Gajanan Mule here for the post-graduation diploma course in hybrid electric vehicle. And recently I have joined this course by viewing the future of the electric and hybrid electric vehicle and getting the opportunity, and due to my personal interest in the automobile side.
That's great because we can see the future too with the electric vehicles. So how did you come to know about Skyy Rider Institution?
Actually, I have heard about this institution at the first year of this institution, means I think so 2018 or 2019. At that year I have started the course of what you can say is Ashok Leyland and Bosch course at 2019 and 2020 batch. From that time I am student of this institution.
All right. So then you moved to hybrid electric vehicle.
Yeah, ma'am. And actually my personal interest in automobile field, so that's why, and I have subscribed all the channels and all the all the website, and I get all the notifications of the courses and etc., all the things which institute get updated on YouTube or on social media.
Understood. So we try to aware people of the coming future, like the electric vehicle. So how did you motivate yourself? Did you done courses with us before? How did you join hybrid electric vehicle course? How did you motivate yourself?
Actually, I motivated myself in my third year of the mechanical engineering, that I have the focus in automobile sector, and I have the focus on means you can say hybrid electric vehicle. And recently I was on duty at Crystal Crop Protection Limited. I got selected in the Crystal Crop Protection Limited, I was looking for the course so that I can make my career in automobile sector, and at parallel my income will be generated and I get further studies. So, and by Instagram, or I think my Instagram page of Skyy Rider, I get to know this course and I have joined this.
Understood. So you are a working professional, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood. So being a working professional, how did you join our job leading program? Because it's a long-term program.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was got selected for 1 year training, and just I have joined the Crystal Crop Protection in March only, recent March 2022, and actually my timing was general shift, and our company's general shift is approx 9 a.m. to 5:30 or 6 p.m. So I had talked to various you three or four more people I talked. They said that you can manage time after the shift, and we can provide you the recordings for recordings of the sessions, and you can ask the doubts at any time. So I joined the sessions because I was pretty much convinced about these sessions that I will do this course.
Understood. So that's great that you are managing your time with your work. So are you satisfied with the training program till now?
Yes, ma'am. Up till now I am satisfied, but just I think one issue with that may be my fault, because I have to a little bit big number of specs. As you can see, there will be a little bit problem for me for the viewing that too much little font which comes in the PPTs. Like, it may be only my fault. That I am not saying that it is all your fault. That, but if then it will be more than expectation for me. This is up to my expectation at all.
Understood. So we'll try to solve your issues, solve everything that your doubts are. So, how is the online and offline? Have you joined online or offline training program?
Actually, I have joined a hybrid mode
Mm-hmm.
because currently I am working up till March 2023. There will be my training for of the job, and after that I will join the hybrid mode. Means after that I will join the practical sessions at nearest center. I think so Hyderabad center for my practical works and for project.
Understood. So, how will you manage then when it's all practical? Because you are
I
a working professional.
Yeah, ma'am. I have already told and already convinced my seniors that I will be no they no will don't will be there for 3 months after the April or after the May. So they will say, okay, no problem. But you have to come back in our company for at least 3 months. Then we can relieve you for the 3 months.
Understood. So you, Hannah, you have managed to somehow convince your managers as well to for
Yeah, yeah.
practical skills.
Yeah, yesterday we
Same
was talking
managers.
about that. Yesterday we was talking about that when the session is planned for the offline mode. Then I have told maybe in May or in June I will be go for 3 months. Then I will be there after 20 to 14 days. I will be there for 2 to 3 days at a company. Then they said, okay, ठीक है, देखते हैं क्या होता है तो. But I have seen positive response on their faces.
Understood. So these are some managers we really need in the future, like more of them.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So how would how would you recommend to other working professionals or students who are going to join our job leading courses?
Actually, my recommendation will be go for this course if you are eager to do in the hybrid electric or in automobile sector to do something. Not this course. In this institution has more other courses also for the job leading that some courses like hybrid electric vehicle, some courses are related to two-wheeler, some courses are related to Ashok Leyland. So there some courses are related to manufacturing and design. So students can join or get a demo session for the course. If they don't like it, then leave it. If they like it, their career will be changed.
Understood. So that's why, yes, we are providing different technical domains, like certification in different technical domains. So I really hope that after this HEV course is finished, you join another course with us because you already have joined two previously. Right. So anything you want to convey to other students that is from your point of view?
According to my point of view, students get studied, and if the studies come to the students via online mode, then there is no problem to join any course. Because if there is a economical condition failure, then this institute can manage it. Otherwise, you can provide the fees in installment or in EMIs, or you can pay it on the means bond, like you will pay it after 3 months, you will pay it after 4 months during the session. But that institute don't ask you for the first 3 months. Then after 3 months institute will ask you, then you will have to pay them economical state. And according to the study schedule, if I will suggest the mechanical and automobile related students to join these courses, because this is the career for the automobile section and mechanical section for their core branches. Recently student I have viewed, my all colleagues are switching the field from mechanical to IT sector. This is not the solution, guys. The solution is we have to study to our core field, and at that field we have to make the career and provide the upcoming batch the next opportunities.
Understood. So, Durvij, apart from being a working professional, a good student, you're also a good motivator for all of the students and the corporate professionals who are looking for change in their personal domains, and they are switching to IT, as you said. Yes, IT is a great trend right now, but that's not the future somehow, because yes, we are going into e-commerce, but there's future with electric vehicles as well, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So yes, for all the mechanical and engineering students or corporate professional, you could switch to something that is more reliable and you can learn easily.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
All right. So, Durvij, thank you for this today. And we hope that, like I said before, you join other courses with us as well for hybrid electric vehicle, right?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Thank you so much, Durvij.
Thank you, ma'am. And ma'am, one little thing. Not
Yes.
only mechanical and automobile students, but electronics and telecommunication, instrumentation, and CS students can also join these courses for making their career in electric vehicle section and a hybrid electric vehicle too.
Yes. All right. Thank you so much for that as well.
Thank you, ma'am.